I'm Don Roberts, bringing you SEC News in 60 seconds. Balham Church hosted a free children's mental health awareness 5-day creative workshop for local children aged 5 to 12 to enhance mental well-being. Also at Balham, gospel group The Golden Chords celebrated 55 years in the music industry with a reunion weekend featuring current and past members. The event included a concert and community outreach day highlighting the church's ministries and initiatives, with a special address by Wandsworth Mayor Juliana Annan. Southampton Church adventurers and Pathfinders participated in the ABP Southampton Marathon, Fun Run and 10K events last Sunday, raising funds to travel to the Bible Experience division level testing in the Netherlands. And St Austell, Bodmin and Redruth churches conducted an online event titled Declare His Glory, with SEC President Dr. Kurt Thomas as a speaker. Thanks for watching. See you next week.